take a while. Yeah, it works good? Yeah. Oh yeah,
The only problem is too short.
Yeah, the hole. Why would they give you a half a hole?
Alright, here we are today. We're doing a Crema Marfil floor with Negro Marquina inserts, and we've already honed it from 220 up to 1800, and we're in the process of polishing. We just started. We're polishing with MB12. Cut. When polishing with MB12, we put down a small amount of product. Thoroughly wet the product with water. In a spray bottle, works better. Keep the spray bottle handy in your pocket or on the machine. Use a hard side pad. Place the machine directly over the product. Target an area of anywhere from 6 to 8 square feet. Spread the product out and work it dry. The target area, and as you can see, it's polishing up nicely. And now we got Manny over there in where the basement landing is, and there's a 4-inch area there. If you want to move over, you can get it. And he's going to hit that with a little bit of polishing powder and the Makita, so that we can blend in the edges. Take it away, man. Good. That looks good. Alright, get out of my work area. Okay, here we are. We shut the camera off for a while to get some polishing done, and we've got about half the floor done. It still has to be buffed. It has some residue on it, so we take a white pad with water, which we'll show in the next clip. But for now, we've got half done, coming out very nice, and we're just going to do another set of 8 square feet. So we're going to dump down some powder right onto our work area, which will be right here. Good amount, and we're going to wet it. Again, only wetting the powder. down too much excess water because we don't want splatters. That's the reason for not putting down too much water. So we just wet the product that's on the floor, and we're going to do 8 square feet. And we're going to overlap the other section, so we're blending it all in. So here we go. Down on top of the product, spread it out. So we got a total of 8 square feet there. Once we spread the product out, we just use these spiral motions, overlapping the above piles and below. And now we get it all, and we just work the product dry. See already, it's only been not even 30 seconds and we're already starting to gain some luster. The nice thing about working with MB12 and the correct machine, and when I say correct machine that can handle polishing dry, you get to see your effects right away. So yeah, I mean the floor still has to be buffed and cleaned up and some spot work to be done, but basically it's a great system. We use David, and as you can see by the look of the bucket, we've maybe only used, I don't even think we've used 3 ounces of powder at this point. And there we go, that section is just about done. Oh, one thing we wanted to say too, actually get a little bit of an aerobic workout doing this, so for all you people that hang out at your desk, or just, couch potatoes, this is a good activity to get that heart rate up. We should make a fitness video. That's what we should do.
Buffing with the stars.
Good job. Coming already. Okay, just to show everybody, this is after doing approximately 100 some odd square feet, maybe 100 square feet. This is what we've got on the pad, and just about time to change. It'll start getting to the point where it'll stick more to the floor, and we might blow a breaker if we're not on a 20 amp. So just wanted to show everyone what a loaded pad looks like, and about when it's time to change. A little bit more. Once it starts really tensing up on you, you can switch it out. So that's it. We'll continue. We painted last year, and my neighbors were like calling me. They're like, "Stu, what's going on?"